is very important. Cedric isn't gone. He's with us. He will live on through his kids, who I know are going to do wonderful things. I want you guys to work hard because your dad worked hard. And I want you to be the best because that's what your dad would have wanted from you. Amani, you have big responsibilities. You're a man and you need to look after everybody. Cedric was very proud of you, and you're a leader. You must keep Dad's legacy alive and do great things. You're all destined to do great things. That's why Cedric brought you into this world. You're running a relay. He has passed on the baton. And we'll be there to support you. Because Cedric supported us. He supported me. With William. My son isn't here with me, he's traveled, but Cedric supported me. So we have to stick together. Captain Francis Babu, Mami, Olive, Yvonne, Yvette, everybody. We love you very much. And we will be there. And Cedric is still with us. He's smiling down on us. I know today he would have been very happy to be here. Today, he's smiling. He would have been very happy to be here today. Thank you very much. And thank you. Guys, I can't say thank you to you, all of you. Thank you.
It will not be fair, Honorable Minister, to leave this stage when we have not talked about the class of 8892, where actually Cedric and William Bleak were. Alison and Thibs and Captain Francis and Mama Olive. I never knew that actually I would say this in my life, and to William also and Cedric. Probably I thought I would go faster. But Cedric, since 14 years, and William were my icons and my idols. And I will tell you why. So we are young. One day there's a tournament of lawn tennis. I will say this story again and again. My first encounter with Cedric. So in SMAC we have an issue of elders. Maxwell is my elder. So when Maxwell tells me yes or no, I cannot answer anything to him. Irrespective. We have that whole culture of once you're in HSC and you are a knowledgeable person, he's your boss. So, but anyway, there is a game of lawn tennis and this young slender guy is taking on a big man with Shalizi and wins actually the lawn tennis game. For me it was about, for us, taking on the big guys. Since then, and I was also a tall, lanky, slender young man, he gave me the option to know that actually I can go in these football guys and the Maxwell. Maxwell has been huge ever since he was a child. So I can go as this long-term young man and take him on. So for me it was something that was good. Lastly, Cedric was naturally talented as a person, a very nice person. And, but one thing he's going to go with, as Maxwell said, our class was the class of great sportsmen. That's why you have William Bleak in IOC. I was vice president of FUFA at one time. Cedric was lawn tennis chairman. Our class was really a good class. And Captain Francis, take heart and the wife. You've done the best. Mama Olive, But one thing, as William was talking about Captain Babu, I also used to fear him. Once in a while, as you kids, you fall into trouble. So they call the parents. So one day they called the parents to administer. Captain Francis when he wanted to bang blows. So, well, with this assembly, and some guy is telling me, but why don't you tell Captain Francis to be calm? And I'm telling him, but also there's another, Arthur Kiwa's father also used to be a boxer like Captain Francis. So we're trying to send a message, but man, the father is becoming, because, Brother Tinka also send you out from school. Now, for Captain Francis, when he comes, he starts on you. Why do you? So normally mothers are like, no, wait, but Captain just starts on you. How? So every time he came, we used to tell each other that, man, Captain Francis should not come. Mama only should come. Thank you guys for being here for today, and we wish you a good weekend. Thank you.
I don't want to